Alright folks, let's talk about Elle Woods, the iconic character from Legally Blonde. Reese Witherspoon, man. She absolutely crushed that role, bringing Elle Woods to life in a way that was both inspiring and unforgettable. Legally Blonde wasn't just a movie, it was a cultural phenomenon that resonated with audiences everywhere. It proved that you can be feminine, fashionable, and a total badass all at the same time. Elle Woods showed us that being true to yourself is the ultimate form of strength. And a big part of Elle's power? Her unwavering confidence. And where does confidence come from? You got it. Feeling good about yourself, inside and out. It's about embracing who you are and not being afraid to show it. Reese Witherspoon, in real life, is just as dedicated to health and fitness as her on-screen counterpart. She embodies the same spirit of determination and positivity. She's got that California girl thing going on, but trust me, it's not all sunshine and smoothies. It's about hard work and dedication. She puts in the work. Whether it's hitting the gym, going for a run, or practicing yoga, Reese is all about staying active and healthy. Reese's fitness routine is all about balance, consistency, and having fun. She knows that staying fit isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. Listen, nobody's saying you gotta dye your hair pink and wear a chihuahua in your purse to the gym. But embracing your unique style and having fun with it, that's something we can all get behind. But Reese's approach to fitness? That's something we can all learn from. It's about finding what works for you, staying consistent, and most importantly, enjoying the journey. Here's the thing about Reese Witherspoon. She gets it. She understands that true fitness isn't about starving yourself or trying to fit into some impossible beauty standard. It's about feeling good in your own skin. It's about having the energy to crush your day, whether you're arguing a case in court or chasing after your kids. Reese's fitness routine is all about building strength, both physically and mentally. She's not afraid to lift weights, break a sweat, and push herself to the limit. And you know what? That's incredibly empowering. When you feel strong, you feel capable, you feel confident. And when you feel confident, you can achieve anything. That's the Elle Woods way, baby. Alright, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. What exactly does Reese Witherspoon do to stay in such amazing shape? Well, for starters, she's a big fan of strength training. And no, I'm not talking about those little pink dumbbells Elle used to carry around in her purse. We're talking about serious weightlifting, folks. Reese hits the gym with her trainer several times a week, focusing on compound exercises that work multiple muscle groups at once. Think squats, deadlifts, rows, and presses. These exercises are key for building lean muscle mass, which not only makes you look toned and sculpted, but also helps boost your metabolism and burn more calories throughout the day. So you're not just looking good, you're feeling good too. It's a win-win. Now, you can't talk about Reese Witherspoon's workout routine without mentioning her legs. Those gams are absolutely legendary. And you better believe she puts in the work to keep them in tip-top shape, day in and day out. Two of her go-to exercises? Squats and lunges. And for very good reason. These moves target all the major muscle groups in your legs, including your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. But here's the thing about squats and lunges. They're not just about building big muscles. They also help improve your balance, coordination, and core strength, which are essential for overall fitness. So, you're not just getting a great workout. You're also improving your overall athleticism and well-being. Section 5. The importance of core strength. Pilates for a killer midsection. Alright, let's talk about abs. A strong core is more than just a fitness goal. It's a foundation for overall health and well-being. Because honestly, who doesn't want a strong, toned core? It's not just about aesthetics, it's about functionality and strength. Reese Witherspoon is a huge fan of Pilates, and it's easy to see why. Celebrities love it because it delivers results without the high impact. Pilates is all about controlled movements that engage your core muscles, helping to improve your posture, stability, and balance. These exercises are designed to target the deep muscles of your abdomen and back. And let's be real, Having a strong core isn't just about looking good in a bikini. It's about feeling confident and capable in your everyday life. It's also incredibly important for preventing injuries, especially as you get older. A strong core can help you maintain your independence and mobility. Think about it. Your core is your body's powerhouse. It's involved in almost every movement you make, from bending to lifting to twisting. It helps you maintain proper alignment, supports your spine, and powers your movements. Good core strength can alleviate back pain and improve your overall posture. So, if you want to stay active and injury-free for years to come, Pilates is a great addition to your fitness routine. It's suitable for all ages and fitness levels, making it a versatile choice for anyone looking to improve their core strength. Section 6. Cardio Cravings, from the treadmill to the tennis court. Now, strength training is awesome, but don't think for a second that Reese Witherspoon shies away from cardio. Cardio is a crucial part of her fitness regimen, and she incorporates it in various forms to keep things interesting and effective. She knows that getting your heart rate up is essential for overall health and fitness. It's not just about burning calories, it's about improving cardiovascular health, boosting endurance, and enhancing overall well-being. But here's the thing. Reese doesn't limit herself to just one type of cardio. She believes in the power of variety to keep her workouts fresh and engaging. She likes to mix things up, keeping her body guessing and preventing boredom. This approach not only makes her workouts more enjoyable, but also ensures that different muscle groups are targeted. One day she might hop on the treadmill for a quick run. Treadmill workouts are great for those days when you want a controlled environment and a steady pace. The next day, she might go for a hike with her dogs. Hiking is a fantastic way to combine cardio with the benefits of being in nature, which can be incredibly refreshing and rejuvenating. She's also a big fan of tennis, which is a great way to get a cardio workout while also improving your hand-eye coordination and agility. Tennis offers a dynamic and fun way to stay active, and it's a social activity too. The key is to find activities you enjoy and make them a regular part of your routine. When you love what you're doing, it doesn't feel like a chore, and you're more likely to stick with it in the long run. So whether it's running, hiking, or playing tennis, find your passion and let it drive your fitness journey. Section 7. Hydration, hydration, hydration. Reese's secret weapon? All right. Let's talk about something that's often overlooked when it comes to fitness hydration. You can't expect your body to perform at its best if you're running on empty, right? Reese Witherspoon knows this, which is why she makes staying hydrated a top priority. She's often seen carrying a reusable water bottle with her, and she's not afraid to chug water throughout the day, even on set or during interviews. And it's not just about drinking water when you're thirsty. By the time you feel thirsty, you're already dehydrated. The goal is to sip on water consistently throughout the day to keep your body properly hydrated and functioning at its best. Section 8. Fueling up like Elle. A balanced approach to nutrition. Now let's talk about food, because you can't outrun a bad diet, right? Reese Witherspoon's approach to nutrition is all about balance and moderation. She focuses on eating whole, unprocessed foods, like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. But here's the thing. She's not about deprivation. She believes in enjoying treats in moderation. Because let's be real, life's too short to say no to chocolate chip cookies every now and then. The key is to make healthy choices most of the time, and to listen to your body. If you're craving something sweet, have a small treat. Don't beat yourself up about it. Just get back on track with your next meal or snack. Section 9. Cheat days and indulgences. Even Elle Woods has a sweet tooth. Speaking of treats, let's talk about cheat days. Because even Elle Woods indulged in a little bit of junk food every now and then, right? Reese Witherspoon is all about balance, and that includes allowing herself to enjoy her favorite treats in moderation. She's not afraid to indulge in a slice of pizza or a scoop of ice cream every now and then. And you know what? That's totally fine. Depriving yourself completely can actually backfire, leading to cravings and overeating later on. So allow yourself to enjoy your favorite foods in moderation, and don't beat yourself up about it. Section 10. Conclusion. A blonde ambition for health and wellness. So there you have it, folks. Reese Witherspoon's approach to health and fitness is all about balance, consistency, and having fun. It's about building strength, both physically and mentally. It's about fueling your body with nutritious foods and staying hydrated. And most importantly, it's about finding what works for you and making it a sustainable part of your lifestyle. Remember, you don't have to be a Hollywood actress or a legal eagle to prioritize your health and well-being. Start by making small changes to your diet and exercise routine, and gradually work your way up to a healthier, happier you. And who knows, you might even surprise yourself with what you're capable of achieving. Just like Elle Woods did.